Hi guys, this is Francisco with the A&S Roofing. We're out here today in Buford, Georgia. This is Mr. Rodriguez's house. I'm here to do an ATR on the property. I'm gonna go ahead. You guys can see this is damaged shingle. I'm gonna go ahead and try to replace this shingle without causing more damage to it. As you can see, there's no damage in the upper shingle whatsoever. I'm gonna go ahead and try to replace this without causing more damage. I'm gonna go ahead and use a spatula to remove the upper shingles off their seal, so I won't have to pull, and try not to do as much mat transfer as possible. Now, all these shingles are off their seal. Once again, as you guys can see, there's no damage on the upper shingle. It's just the lower shingle that has the damage. This is for Rodrigo. Rodriguez, I believe. I think it's Rodriguez. I don't know. But Mr. Jovan Rodriguez. I'm gonna go ahead and do the ATR in this property. Gonna go ahead and set my tripod up so I can record myself while we're doing this repair. I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone down a little bit. Ooh. All right, man, let me go ahead and adjust this real quick. That way we can visibly see everything we're doing up here, and you guys don't start saying we're being too aggressive while we're trying to replace the roof. You can physically and visibly see that this roof is not gonna be repairable. You had an inspector up here, you had an adjuster up here, a third party, and you're still deciding to do repairs on this roof. There's no way to repair it. I'm gonna take my sweet time doing this attempt to repair, just so you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and use the snake tool. I'm gonna follow all the manufacturer guides by using this tool to remove this shingle the proper way, to try to prevent doing some more damage to this roof. If the roof does get damaged, it's because it's stated the roof is non-repairable. Let me go ahead and put my phone down. Okay. That should be good. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is, all these shingles are off their seal already. You can see I'm gonna try my best not to lift it up more than what I have to, which is just enough where I can see the nails. Where are my nails? There's no nail right there. All right. Okay, we got one over here. Oh, great. Yeah, that was great. Pretty easy. Once again, try not to be super aggressive. Try not to lift it up more than what I have to. I'm not even lifting up a 45-degree angle. You can call, say what you want. You want to come measure it? We can do that. But this is not even a 45. I'm barely lifting it, barely pulling it, trying to be as gentle as I possibly can. All right. Now, I removed the bottom nails, but most of the time, this shingle is not just nailed on the nail line. These guys nail on top of it because of the other shingle, so I had to remove the upper layer shingle as well. Trying to be as gentle as I can, once again. Okay, got you. All right, all right, all right. Where are you at? Oh, here we go. Beautiful. All right, all right. Pretty easy one. Whew. Probably the easiest ones I've done today so far. All right. Okay. Okay, got you. Ooh. Struggling a little bit with that one, but we're good. Let's see what else. We got one right here. All right, so now I believe all the nails are out. I can gently and easily pull this back out. There you go. Okay. So I easily pulled it out because I pulled all the nails out properly. As you guys can see, I was being as gentle as I possibly can. I see some damage already here on this upper one. Some more here. Let's go ahead and finish the re-nail this shingle back up. And see how the aftermath is after I nail it. Okay. All right. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna go ahead and just gently slide this shingle back in place. Try to be as gentle as I possibly can. As you can see, there was no forcing it in, there was no being aggressive or nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and use the snake tool to fasten this shingle back into place, lifting it up just enough where the snake tool can fit. No more than that. There's no need for it. Whoa, what's in my ear? Okay. One more here. Properly fasten this thing up. This thing didn't have much nails on it. Okay. All right, one more, guys, and we're done. Okay. Ooh. Go ahead and set this back up, guys. Sorry about that. But that's it. We're done. All right, guys, so we completed with the repair. I can show you guys already, this shingle is not repairable. I showed you earlier there was damage already caused here. You can see this crease, this is a fail. Look, it's another crease right there. Broken shingle. And you guys had the video before I started. Everything was okay. Look at that. There's no being aggressive. I was not lifting it up more. than what I needed. Here, look at that. It's just that this shingle is non-repairable. So this is a complete fail. ATR. There's no way of repairing this shingle without causing more damage, guys.